Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Touring Reviews. In this video we are going to have a look at the Topeak Fuel Tank large version. This is a top tube bag and it's not completely waterproof, it's weatherproof. It has 3 attachment points. This one in the back is fixed, the one in the middle is mobile in order to accommodate other bike packing frames, and the one in the front is also fixed. On this side of the bag we have an exit port for charging wires. For example, if we want to have a battery inside of the bag, we could have a wire coming out and charging devices which are mounted on the handlebar, like a GPS or a mobile phone. The material of the strap, it's kind of rubbery on the part that will be in contact with the frame, so that's a very good thing, at least for these 2 straps. This one is just a normal meshing with Velcro attachment. Inside of the bag we have a main compartment for the whole length of the bag. We have a webbing on the right side of the bag in order to keep things in place like keys or other small items from going back and forth in the bag. And we also have a separator in case we want to fix certain items in place. Okay, now let's go to the bike and mount it on the frame. This is my Canyon Endurace. This is how the bag will fit on the bike. As you can see, this bike has a relaxed geometry, a big head tube, and there is quite a slack angle for the fork, and due to that the bag will not fit flush with the stem. So we have this gap here. I'm going to purchase some tape to protect the frame in the near future. Okay, now I'm going to give you some of the dimensions of the bag, so you see how wide and tall it is. So we have about 23 centimeters here. The height, it's around 12 centimeters, and width we have around 7 centimeters. Okay, now that the bag is mounted, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it and what I'm actually fitting in it. So I will remove the separator. Have the Schwalbe tire levers. This is a LEZYNE pump. Schwalbe spare tube. Topeak mini multi-tool. This one is great as it takes very little space. The phone. Trail mix. And the keys that will go in the mesh pocket. Okay, so now let's try to close it. Yeah, so as you can see, for 0.75 liters, it fits quite a lot of stuff in a very good way. There is no bulging on the bag, so I'll have no problems pedaling. My knees will not rub on the bag. Thank you very much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe.